Okay, so Megan and I made this painting a few weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago.
Oh yeah.
We just went in there and started. Megan did this wave. We all kind of painted the background. We all, I guess, including Jade. Megan, Jade, and I. I feel so professional. Look at me. I have my light now.
Professional. We need like a razor blade.
We've been waiting for this part.
Yes. Okay, it's not as awesome as I thought.
Ooh, look at the depth in this now. It looks so much nicer without the tape. This is how it looks hanging up.
Ooh. Nice.
What are you doing with my shark?
Please, I don't want to break it.
Illegal. I love that it matches everything else too. Like these paintings. My shark. I have like a big cluster of paintings on the floor. I need to organize this. They're like sticking to each other. We're gonna do another collab painting. Here's the first one. That was like last year. Check. Paint. Check. Light. Check. Whoa. We're taking a break while this dries, and forgot about this combination. Frozen mangoes, granola, blueberries, hemp seed, peanut butter. Good stuff. I think the theme here is boobs. Boobs, boobs, boobs. Everywhere. Alright, so Megan and I got pretty tired last night. We didn't finish the painting. Well, I guess that's up to the viewer's opinion. Do you think this could be a finished painting? And if so, what is it? Name it. I'm gonna bring it outside so you... Ooh! Honestly, yeah, the more I look at it, I don't even want to add anything to it. We usually don't do that many abstract pieces, so this would be good for us. Megan, I'm sorry, I wish you could be here for the ending of this video, but Sophie's here. I'm dog sitting. Say hi, Sophie.